Hello friend, welcome back to Total Maintenance YouTube channel. Can you believe it? Total Maintenance just surpassed 100,000 subscribers. Unbelievable. What did you say? I didn't hear you. 100,000 subscribers, that's a big deal, and I wanna thank every single one of you for supporting this channel, watching all the videos, putting the comments, thumbs up, thumbs down, and being a big part of this Toyota YouTube community. Some of you even found out where's my shop, like Diego here, and he gave me opportunity to work on his 96 Tacoma. Thank you so much. The last vehicle I serviced was a subscriber, Andrew. He drove a couple of hours to get to my shop and he gave me a tip. Can you guess what it was? Nice jar of sauerkraut. I love it. So thanks again to all you Toyota enthusiasts. Obviously, we couldn't achieve this without you. So please stay tuned because we have a lot of good quality content coming your way soon. Thank you and I will see you soon. Hello, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel.
Because as you know, there's a lot more videos coming your way, so stay tuned.
Hello, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Just 200,000 subscribers.
Woo!